Hello and welcome back to the Oceanfront Builders channel. We are thrilled to have you with us today as we check into the world of hospitality, construction, and design. If you're new to our community, Oceanfront Builders is a premier construction and design firm specializing in crafting exceptional residential and commercial spaces throughout the dynamic landscapes of Southern California. We are deeply rooted in Los Angeles and Orange counties, and our mission is to share our extensive expertise, empowering developers, investors, and hoteliers with the knowledge to create properties that are not only luxurious and appealing, but also highly efficient and profitable. Today, we are tackling a subject of immense importance in the modern hospitality industry: the key factors in building and operating energy-efficient hotels. In an industry that operates 24/7 with high demands for lighting, heating, cooling, and hot water, energy consumption is one of the largest operational costs. Building an energy-efficient hotel is no longer a niche concept. It is a strategic business imperative. It leads to significant operational savings, enhances guest comfort, meets increasingly stringent environmental regulations, and powerfully boosts a hotel's brand reputation in an era where travelers are more eco-conscious than ever. In this extended, comprehensive, and truly detailed video, we will provide you with the ultimate guide to the key factors involved in designing and constructing an energy-efficient hotel. We'll break down the process from a holistic perspective, covering everything from the building envelope and high-efficiency MEP systems to smart technology, water conservation, and renewable energy integration. Drawing from our years of experience in the demanding Southern California commercial construction market, we'll provide insider tips, real-world examples, and a strategic framework to help you create a property that is a leader in sustainability and profitability. Whether you're planning a new hotel construction, a major renovation of an existing property, or a simple system upgrade, this video will equip you with the knowledge to make smart, forward-thinking decisions. Before we unlock the blueprint for hotel efficiency, please take a moment to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. By joining our community, you gain access to a wealth of valuable insights and expert advice designed to help you succeed in the commercial construction landscape. Your engagement allows us to continue creating in-depth content for industry professionals and investors throughout Southern California and beyond. Creating a truly energy-efficient hotel is not about implementing one or two green features. It's about a holistic, integrated design approach, where every system and component works in harmony to minimize energy waste. This whole building philosophy starts at the earliest stages of planning and carries through to construction and daily operations. Let's start with the powerful business case for building an energy-efficient hotel: drastic reduction in operational costs. Energy is typically the second highest operating cost for a hotel after labor. Reducing energy consumption by 20 to 40% or more translates directly to a healthier bottom line and increased profitability year after year. Enhanced guest comfort and satisfaction. Energy-efficient design often leads to a more comfortable guest experience. Well-insulated rooms are quieter and maintain more consistent temperatures. High-quality lighting is more pleasing. This leads to better reviews and repeat business. Meeting and exceeding regulatory requirements. In places like California, building energy codes like Title 24 are already very strict and are only becoming more so. Designing for high efficiency ensures compliance and future-proofs the building against upcoming regulations. Powerful brand differentiation and marketing. A commitment to sustainability is a powerful marketing tool. Eco-conscious travelers, corporate clients, and event planners are increasingly choosing hotels that align with their values. Green building certifications like LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, provide a verifiable and marketable credential. Increased asset value. Energy-efficient buildings with lower operating costs are more valuable assets, commanding higher property values and attracting sustainability-focused investors. Environmental responsibility. Reducing a hotel's carbon footprint and resource consumption is a vital part of corporate social responsibility in the 21st century. Let's break down the key areas where you can achieve significant energy savings in a hotel project. 1. The high-performance building envelope, your first line of defense. The building envelope, the roof, walls, windows, and foundation, is what separates the conditioned indoor environment from the outside. A leaky envelope forces your HVAC system to work much harder. Superior insulation. This is paramount. Continuous exterior insulation. Installing a layer of rigid insulation on the exterior of the wall framing, in addition to cavity insulation, is one of the most effective ways to reduce thermal bridging, heat transfer through the studs, and create a highly efficient wall assembly. High R value. Use insulation with a high R value, a measure of thermal resistance in walls and especially the roof. Spray foam insulation. Closed-cell spray foam is excellent for creating a continuous air seal, preventing drafts and energy loss. Airtight construction. Air leakage can account for a huge portion of a building's energy loss. Air and water-resistive barriers. Meticulously install a high-quality air and water barrier system on the exterior sheathing, ensuring all seams and penetrations are properly taped and sealed. Blower door testing. During construction, conduct a blower door test to measure the building's air tightness and identify and seal any leaks before the walls are closed up. High-performance glazing, windows. Windows are often the weakest link in the building envelope. Low-E coatings. In a hot climate like Southern California, use windows with a low solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, and a low U factor. This is achieved with spectrally selective low-E coatings that block solar heat while allowing visible light to pass through. Dual pane or triple pane. Use dual pane or even triple pane windows with inert gas fills, like argon, for superior insulation. Window-to-wall ratio. Thoughtfully design the amount and orientation of glass to maximize natural light without creating excessive heat gain, especially on west-facing facades. Cool roof technology. The roof is a major source of heat gain. High solar reflectance. Use roofing materials with a high solar reflectance index, SRI, often light-colored or white. Materials like TPO roofing, PVC, or light-colored metal with cool coatings are excellent choices. This is a key component of California's Title 24 Energy Code. 2. High-efficiency MEP systems, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, the engine room. The MEP systems are the largest energy consumers in a hotel. Specifying high-efficiency equipment is critical. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC. Variable refrigerant flow, VRF, systems. VRF systems are a highly efficient and popular choice for modern hotels. They allow for simultaneous heating and cooling in different zones and move energy from one part of the building to another, recovering heat that would otherwise be wasted. High-efficiency chillers and boilers. For larger hotels, select high-efficiency water-cooled chillers and condensing boilers. Energy recovery ventilation, ERV. ERVs are essential for maintaining fresh air while saving energy. They transfer heat and humidity from the stale exhaust air to the incoming fresh air, preconditioning it and reducing the load on the HVAC system. Demand-controlled ventilation. Use CO2 sensors in high-occupancy areas like conference rooms and ballrooms to adjust ventilation based on the actual number of people present, saving energy when the spaces are empty. Plumbing and domestic hot water. High-efficiency water heaters. Use high-efficiency condensing gas water heaters or heat pump water heaters, which are significantly more efficient than standard models. Point-of-use water heaters. For rooms or areas far from the central plant, small electric point-of-use water heaters can reduce the energy lost from long pipe runs. Pipe insulation. Insulate all hot water pipes thoroughly to minimize heat loss. Water conservation. Install WaterSense labeled low-flow fixtures, toilets, shower heads, faucets, in all guest rooms and public areas. This not only saves water, but also saves the energy required to heat that water. Electrical and lighting. LED lighting. A complete conversion to LED lighting is one of the quickest and most impactful energy-saving measures. LEDs use a fraction of the energy of traditional bulbs and have a much longer lifespan, also reducing maintenance costs. Occupancy sensors. Install occupancy sensors in back-of-house areas, public restrooms, and meeting rooms to automatically turn lights off when the space is unoccupied. Daylight harvesting. Use photosensors near windows to dim electric lights automatically when there is sufficient natural daylight. 3. Smart technology and building controls, the brains of the operation. Smart technology allows for the granular control and optimization of all the building systems. Energy management systems, EMS, for guest rooms. This is a cornerstone of hotel efficiency. Key card activation, the most common system, where lighting and HVAC are activated only when the guest's key card is inserted into a slot by the door. When the guest leaves and takes their card, the systems automatically revert to a more energy-efficient, unoccupied setting. Occupancy sensors. More advanced systems use passive infrared, PIR, or other motion sensors to detect occupancy, providing a more seamless guest experience than keycards. Smart thermostats. Networked thermostats allow for centralized control and can prevent guests from setting extreme temperatures. For example, setting a temperature range of 68 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Building Management System, BMS, or Building Automation System, BAS. Centralized Control. ABMS provides a single, centralized dashboard for monitoring and controlling all of the hotel's major systems, HVAC, lighting, security, etc. Real-time monitoring and analytics. The BMS tracks energy consumption in real time, allowing facility managers to identify inefficiencies, diagnose problems, and optimize performance. Automated scheduling. The system can automatically schedule equipment operation based on occupancy, time of day, and outdoor conditions, ensuring systems are only running when needed. Smart plugs and load management. For back-of-house equipment like vending machines or office equipment, smart plugs can be used to schedule them to turn off during low-demand periods. 4. On-site renewable energy generation. Solar photovoltaic, PV panels. In sunny Southern California, installing solar panels is a highly effective way to reduce reliance on the grid and lock in lower electricity costs. Large, flat hotel roofs are often ideal for sizable solar arrays. Solar thermal water heating. Use solar thermal collectors to preheat water for the hotel's domestic hot water system, significantly reducing the amount of natural gas or electricity needed. EV charging stations. While this is an energy consumer, offering electric vehicle charging stations is becoming a critical amenity. Integrating them with a solar PV system creates a powerful green marketing story. Pro tip: for a new construction project, designing the roof structure to accommodate the future installation of solar panels, even if not installed on day one, is a smart, forward-thinking, and low-cost measure. At Oceanfront Builders, we can help plan for this. Contact us at info@oceanfront.builders to discuss future-proofing your commercial project. 5. Operational and maintenance practices. A building is only as efficient as its operations. Regular preventative maintenance. A rigorous preventative maintenance schedule for all MEP equipment is essential. Clean filters, clean coils, and properly functioning equipment run much more efficiently. Commissioning and recommissioning. Initial commissioning. For a new hotel, a third-party commissioning agent should be hired to verify that all systems are installed and operating correctly according to the design intent. Staff and guest engagement. Train staff on energy-saving practices. Engage guests with optional programs like linen and towel reuse to involve them in the hotel's sustainability efforts. Building an energy-efficient hotel is a strategic, multifaceted endeavor that delivers a powerful return on investment through reduced operational costs, enhanced guest satisfaction, and a stronger brand identity. It requires a holistic approach that begins in the earliest design stages and continues through construction and daily operations. At Oceanfront Builders, we have extensive experience in the commercial construction sector and a deep understanding of the advanced systems and building practices required to create energy-efficient properties in the demanding Southern California market. We are committed to helping our clients in Los Angeles and Orange counties build smarter, more profitable, and more responsible projects. If you are planning a new hotel construction or a major renovation and want to partner with a contractor who understands the intersection of quality construction and energy efficiency, we encourage you to connect with us. Visit our website at oceanfrontbuilders.com to see our commercial portfolio and learn more about our approach, or call us directly at 888-336-8586 to schedule a consultation. Remember, in the modern hospitality industry, energy efficiency is not a cost. It is one of the smartest investments you can make in the long-term success and value of your property. If you found this detailed guide to building energy-efficient hotels helpful and informative, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into commercial and residential construction. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and may your next project be a model of efficiency.